Shall we start, Mangesh?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Oh, it's already recording. Interesting. Can you differentiate between JDK, JRE, and JVM?
Okay. JDK stands for Java Development Kit.
Mhm.
It is used to execute our program.
Okay.
And JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which
Okay.
provides the environment to run our programs.
Mhm.
And third one, JDK, JRE, and
JVM. JVM.
JVM. Okay. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It's not physically present in our system. It's present virtually.
Okay.
It executes our program line by line, and it always serves the main method in our program, whether
Okay.
it is present or not. If it
Okay.
is present, then it runs our program.
Okay. Without JDK, can we run our Java programs using JRE alone?
No, we can't run our program because it's a kit. It provides a library to us.
Okay.
So because without library, we can't run the program.
Okay. With JRE, we can run Java programs. We cannot create Java programs. For creation of Java programs, we need JDK. For JRE, just with JRE, we can run the programs like JMeter also. It's a pure Java application. We can run it with JRE alone, without JDK. Okay, fine. That's good. And what is meant by OOP?
OOP.
Yeah,
Oops.
OOP.
Oops means oops. Actually, OOPS means object-oriented programming language.
Okay.
There are many concepts in OOPS, like a class is there, method overloading, method overriding,
Okay.
and polymorphism and encapsulation. If these are the concepts present in any particular language, then we can say that programming language is object-oriented programming language.
Okay. Can you give a...
Suppose we can.
Yeah, please go.
Yeah, I was explaining about the Java, classes. Like class is nothing but the particular block which contains the methods and variables in it.
Okay.
And method overloading means we can say like developing the multiple methods with the same name.
But once again,
with the different.
Can you list again all the concepts of OOP, please?
Yeah. Class.
Okay.
Polymorphism.
Okay.
Encapsulation.
Okay.
And method overloading, method
will that
overriding.
come under...
This comes under the polymorphism.
Okay, but it will not come under OOP concept, right? What else? Whatever you said is correct. Polymorphism, encapsulation, and then okay.
Inheritance.
Okay.
These are the concepts which comes under the OOPS.
Okay, fine. And how about abstraction? Do you think abstraction also comes under OOP concept?
Yes. Abstraction is also comes.
Okay.
Abstraction is hiding the implementation part from the end users.
Okay. What is inheritance?
Inheritance means acquiring the parent class properties into the child class property.
Okay.
That is called as an inheritance. There are the different type of inheritance, like a single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance.
Okay. What is multiple level inheritance?
Multiple level. Okay. Multiple level inheritance means inheriting the properties from the multiple parents into the single child class. That is a multiple level inheritance.
Wonderful. What keyword is used to achieve multiple level inheritance?
Multiple level.
Yes.
Okay. We can use the extends keywords to create a relation between the two classes.
Oh, that is for multi-level or single level. When it comes to multiple level, we cannot create a connection between. We cannot create.
We cannot relation. Yeah. We cannot create a relation between the multiple. I mean to say, we can't use the two parents and single child
using extends keyword.
Yes.
Then what keyword is used to connect two parents, two parent classes? How will we achieve multiple level inheritance? In the child, we'll have a concrete class. In the parent, will we have a class or interface to achieve multiple?
To achieve a multiple level, we should use the interface.
Wonderful.
We can achieve that by using the interface concept.
Mm.
We use the implements keywords.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very good, Mangesh. That's fine. So, can you differentiate between what is final keyword and what is finally? Instead of keyword, what is final keyword? What is the finally concept? Where does it come into play?
Yeah, sure. I will tell about the first final keyword.
Okay.
So final keyword is basically used to method or the variable or the class.
Okay.
If we are using the final keyword with the variable, then we can't change the value of the that particular variable in throughout the program.
Oh,
If we are using the keyword with the final keyword with the method, then we cannot overridden that particular method. And if we are using that final keyword with the class, then we cannot inherit that particular class.
Mm.
Okay, so this is the final keyword. And about the final keyword comes under the exception handling concept. So whenever if we want to handle the exception, we use the try and catch block.
Mm.
So whenever we are using try and catch block, then we can go for the final keyword block.
Oh.
So suppose if if any exception occurs at the try block, then also the finally block will execute.
Okay.
And if exception occurs,
Mm.
then catch block will run.
Okay.
Then also finally a block will execute.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful, Mangesh. Can you share your screen? We'll write some programs.
Sure. Let me share this.
Yeah.
I don't know it will allow me or not, but still I will try.
Is it your office laptop?
Actually, I joined with the office.
Okay. Okay.
Is it visible to you?
Yeah, it's visible. Can you open your Eclipse, please?
Mhm.
What version is this, Mangesh?
Eclipse
Oh.
version?
Okay, okay. You're using Ubuntu.
Yes, yes,
right?
I'm using Ubuntu. Yes,
Okay,
yes, right.
I was just thinking, why is the UI a bit different? Fine. Yeah. Please open Eclipse.
Okay.
Yeah. Create a new class, please. Mangesh, does Ubuntu have a Zoom client instead of opening in browser? Do Ubuntu have a separate Zoom client?
Yes, actually, it have the Zoom application,
Okay.
but actually, I'm using Office laptop, so
Oh.
it was asking me to log in with the Office credentials.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
That's why I joined with the.
Fine, fine. Okay. Can you write a program to reverse an array, create an array of in data type and reverse the array
Okay.
and store it in a different array?
Okay. Allow me, please.
Mangesh, do you know another method for creating an array? Another syntax?
Creating an array.
Yeah, create a line number 11 you have declared it, and line number from 13 to 16 you have initiated it. Do you know another
Right.
way of declaring and initializing an array?
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Manish. Yeah. Yeah. Do we have a fourth index position?
No, wait.
Okay.
Fourth is
Okay. Now what we have done, we have just listed out the elements. The problem statement was you have to create, you have to print the array present in line number 12. Like you printed the array present in line number 11 by line number 22, you have to print the array called as B, and the value should be reversed. Instead of 1 2 3 4, it should become 4 3 2 1. The index position for
it's become 432.
No, you have to create another different array. You're line number 12. We are declaring an array. Have we initialized the array called as B? Line number 11, you have declared it. Line number 14 to 17, you have initialized an array called as A. For array B, you have declared in line number 12. Where have you initialized it? The initialization should happen in the for loop. Then only the array will be reversed, right? Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say, Mangesh?
Wait. So what I did here, I took the value of
whatever you did is fine. Can you write a sys out and put arrays.toString B?
B?
Yeah. Can you run the program, please? Now you have duplicated the array. How can you reverse it? I'll give you a hint. You have to create another variable. In the for loop, you have to play with two variables, I and j, or any other two variables. One should start from 0, one should start from 4. That is the hint. So here I starts from 3, start k with 0 and increment it. Wonderful. Now what else? We don't need line number 27, Mangesh. Line number 27 is not necessary. We don't want to print that. Line number 22 and 30 is enough. Now in line number 26, do you think we have to change something?
We have to.
It's wonderful. Okay, have you solved this type of problems reversing an array?
Actually, I did not solve.
Okay.
I thought
Huh.
we have to check. We have to assign the order. We have to assign the value in the reverse order. So that's why I use this concept.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, open the Eclipse, please, Mangesh. Open Eclipse, please.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, create another class. Write a program to check if the word madam, M-A-D-A-M, is a palindrome or not.
MADA.
Yes. Mangesh, in line number 12, what is the value of I?
It will be. It will count the length.
How many?
Length
What
minus
will? But
one, zero, one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But
It should.
are we putting? Yeah, as you said.
So
nine-
it
yeah,
should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
5 minus 1, 4.
Where have you given my? Okay, I was just searching for that minus one. Yeah, got it. Fine.
Yes, so it will raise the particular question. Zero.
First, try to extract the individual characters from the string, and then try to check if it's a palindrome or not. Uh, Wonderful, wonderful, Mangesh. Now, yeah. Can you create a new class, please?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Um, Write a program to find the largest number present in the array. Create an array of int data type and then create 5 index positions. Among those 5 index positions, can you find the largest number present in the array?
Largest number in the okay. Mm,
You can use that second syntax, Mangesh. It will be easier. Using flower bracket, curly braces. Give me a minute. Mangesh, can you just tell me what you're trying to achieve here using the nested for loop?
Actually, what I'm thinking, like suppose I will check first index of value here. After that, inside next for loop, I will check the next value, 98.
Okay.
So I will compare both of them, whether which is greatest, bigger value or not. So if it is bigger value, then I will check next value, 98 and 65.
If it is bigger, what will you do?
I will traverse the next value, check whether the next element is greater or not. I will compare both of them.
Okay, yeah, go proceed. Using for loop and if block, we can solve this. Let's see how we are trying to solve it. We have to create a variable, int variable, and we have to compare that variable against all the index positions. If that's hint. Have you worked on this type of problems, Mangesh? No? It's okay. It's okay. No issues.
I will try.
Yeah, you tried and okay. Can you create another class, please? Okay. Can you show me the encapsulation concept here, Mangesh? Can you use two classes, please? Instead of in a single class, can you use a parent class and child class if it is possible? No, in the same class itself.
Okay, same.
Create a parent class and then now have the variables all placed in the methods also. Getter, setters placed in the parent class.
s-
Or you can do in the child class also, whatever is comfortable for you. Will getter and setter both have the return type as void?
no. In this student ID.
You do one thing, Mangesh. You can also right click and generate getters and setters if you want. Instead of this getter setters, it will give you a better idea. Yeah. Comment or delete whatever you have created in line number from 13 to 21. Right click and try to generate getters and setters.
I'm not able to find that option.
right click and see all the options. All the options with arrow mark. You'll be able to find it. Go to source again. Source. Source, yeah. Can you see something called as getters and setters? Are we missing a step, Mangesh, in the last main method? Should we put sys out and should we print something? We have set the value. How do we get it?
We have to get it.
Yes. No, whatever we did is correct actually. Give control Z, please. How do we call a non-static method?
By creating an object of.
You have created an object. Use that object to call it. No, in the println statement itself.
I got it.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Okay. Now, can you do one thing? From line number 26, can you scroll up, please? Scroll up. Line number 9 to 27. Cut this and paste it in the parent class. 26, yeah. Now, all the logic is present in the parent class. In child class, no logic is visible. Okay. This is fine. Yeah, that is it, Mangesh. You did well, and it's okay. It's okay. Initially, you're also learning, right? Everybody struggles a bit, but you finally, with small hint, you were able to come to a conclusion. That is fine. 1 second. Okay, Mangesh, that's fine. We were stuck in a program for finding the largest number present in the array.
Largest number.
Will you be able to write a program for that and share the screenshot with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah. I'll tell Dishan that you pass this by. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
But you did well, actually. I mean, I did not. With small hints, you were able to catch all the ideas. So that is good. Okay, okay, Mangesh.
Actually, after long time, I'm giving the I was again.
Okay.
So I got confused. Like, what should I do? What should I?
Okay.
That's why
Okay.
got fear something like.
Okay,
But
okay.
getting tension like how I can.
Hmm.
But still,
First,
thanks.
when I saw the name, that I know this person. So when I checked it, yeah, it's my previous student.
Mm,
Fine, Mangesh. See you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thanks.